Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about interactive brokers versus Webull. If you're choosing between interactive brokers and Webull, here's a quick breakdown to help you decide which trading platform fits your style. First of all, we have interactive brokers. It's also called IBKR. It is a powerhouse. You get access to over 150 global markets, from stocks and ETFs to options, futures, bonds, mutual funds, and even crypto. It's built for serious traders. The Trader Workstation or TWS offers advanced order types, pro-level charting, and deep analytics. It's ideal if you want to customize every trade. Commissions are ultra low, especially for high-volume traders, and they offer two plans: IBKR Lite for casual users and IBKR Pro for advanced traders. There's also a wide range of research tools and even robo-advisory portfolios. But there's a catch: it's not very beginner-friendly. The platform can feel overwhelming, and some features come with extra data or exchange fees. Pricing, especially on the Pro plan, can be tricky to figure out. Now, Webull is much more beginner-focused. It's commission-free for stocks, ETFs, and options. The mobile and desktop apps are sleek, fast, and easy to navigate, even if you're brand new to trading. You get fractional shares, extended hours, and no inactivity fees. Setup is quick, the whole experience is super streamlined. That said, Webull supports fewer assets. No mutual funds or bonds, limited international access, and crypto trading is in a separate application. It also lacks some of the deeper tools that IBKR offers. So, the final verdict: go with the interactive brokers if you want global access, pro tools, and plan to trade actively across markets. Choose Webull if you're a beginner or casual trader looking for a clean, commission-free experience. IBKR is equal to global reach and power, and Webull is equal to simplicity and ease. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.